Hello, this is Hassan Akhtar and today we are going to talk about this very beautiful sound. Again, this is a diphthong, ow. Ow, as you can see here, the sound ow as in ouch, when the girls make the sound when they are about to fall or maybe some other situation. Out, cut it out, stop it. The ow sound, which is a diphthong and is a combination of the two short vowels a plus oo, a-oo, as in ouch or out or doubt or sprout and about and doubt. Okay, so this is again a very beautiful sound, and I have already told you many times that your fine English, a refined language, is the result of the better sounds. Okay, if you produce better sounds, it means that you can speak better English. And again, there is not a big margin between English and speaking good English, right? So now we are going to practice the ow sound. See this. I do not doubt. See, ow sound. I do not doubt your honesty about your freedom. Okay, there were two sounds, about and doubt. Similarly, this sentence, I am very proud of my house. Again, here are two sounds, the two ow sounds, proud and house. I am proud of my house. I want you right now to get out of my house. Okay, the two ow sounds as in ow and house. I want you to get out of my house. Now I'm giving some sentences in the description to rehearse and practice the ow sounds, and I want you to rehearse it and sharpen your ow sounds so that when you speak English the next time, you look beautiful and wanted. I repeat, wanted. That's it for today. See you next time.